Got a bad compressor. Today's mission, get this sucker out, get a new one in there, get this unit back online. Let's see what we could come up with. All right, got the old compressor out, got the new one here. This was an R22 system, but I'm going in with a retrofit POE oil, so I'm gonna go 407C. I might have to do a little bit of repiping here, but we're getting there. This unit was actually flat. I could see oil stains here, and when I press down on this insulation, you can see all the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap this pressure switch out. Comes to here. I'm gonna be replacing this low pressure switch. I don't think it's working. I think that's why this compressor burnt out. And then get this new one in, braze it in, and we should be back online. So hopefully everything comes out good. All right, new compressor's in. Changed out the low pressure switch, changed out the fan cycling switch. That was the one that was leaking. New crankcase heater. I just gotta zip tie all this and kind of make it look better. Pulling a vacuum right now. Gotta land the new plug for the compressor. We'll charge it up and this unit should be back online. So it's looking good so far. Another half pound. Yeah. Back online. Check the amp draw. Check the pressures. Ended up swapping out most of the major components. Kind of give it a fresh new life. Got the old trusty Vito bag. This bag has been through years with me. It's never let up. It's seen better days, but she hangs in there.